Hello everyone. Do you know Samsung introduces repair mode in its latest Galaxy smartphones? Now what does repair mode do? In short and simple, repair mode helps you to secure your data from others. How? Let's see. If you enable repair mode, then your phone will get rebooted and then it will hide all of your personal data. Then you can give your phone to others. Suppose you give your mobile phone to a technician for repairing. Then you need not to back up your data or take any tension for any data loss, because it will hide all your important, it will hide all of your messages, images, videos, even your accounts also. So it is a very good so this is a very good step from the Samsung.